Flu activity remains very high in the Hoosier State, and this week we learned from the State Health Department that for the first time this season, a child under the age of 2 has died from it. WRTV's Naja spoke to experts about symptoms and when to seek care.
We are seeing a higher number of cases around this time than we did last year.
Flu activity is still very high, according to Indiana's influenza dashboard. This week, the Department of Health reported another 40 deaths, up to a total of 97 this season. That includes the first death of a child 6 to 23 months old and a Hoosier between 5 and 24 years old.
We're seeing a lot more people getting admitted to the hospital because of it. It doesn't really predispose young and old, young people, kids, teenagers who get really sick with this as well.
Flu symptoms can be similar to lots of other viruses, including the common cold. You can experience runny nose, fever, cough, and even muscle aches, but there are some symptoms that can be a little different.
Influenza can be distinguished by the presence of the severe muscle aches, the severe fatigue, and the GI symptoms. Most common cold viruses don't cause a lot of symptoms like nausea or diarrhea.
And if those symptoms continue to linger or get worse, experts say it might be time to take a trip to your local doctor's office, urgent care, or even here, the hospital, if things are really bad.
If you think you have influenza and you are a member of a high-risk population or a high-risk group that could be at risk of more severe illness from the flu, I would definitely recommend that you seek care.
But really talk about when parents should seek medical attention for their kids.
If your child looks like they're having, trouble catching their breath, because unfortunately, along with flu, RSV is another big wintertime illness.
With several viruses spreading, doctors tell me the best way to protect yourself is to roll up your sleeve.
The vast majority of people I see in the emergency department are unvaccinated for the flu.
It is not too late to get vaccinated. It's also a good way to protect not just yourself, but the others around you.
Naja Woods, WRTV.
Well, doctors also recommend washing your hands frequently, cover your cough, and stay home when you're sick. And if you are sick with the flu, they say it's important to stay hydrated and get plenty of rest.